Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cash stuffing video. So my name is Jeanette and the reason why I cash stuff in zero-based budget is to save for 6 months of expenses. So I did post a video for you guys yesterday stuffing my wallet, which is my variable expenses. Today I will be cash stuffing my sinking funds as well as my business bills. So as you've seen in the beginning of the video, I did make another product today, and it's a teller slip, and it also has a built-in envelope. So when you give this to the teller, I actually tried it out today and it was super cool. I gave it to the teller and she's like, oh my God, that's so cool. So, and then they'll put the cash in the envelope. So this is laminated. You can reuse it. So you use a Sharpie with it and you can erase it anytime you need it. So that is a new product. And yeah, let's get into cash stuffing. Okay. So as you saw in the beginning of the video, today we'll be cash stuffing a total of $60. So this is everything right there. So everything this week is going to get $10. And as far as my holiday, I'm going to pull it out because I did use my credit card. So I will be using the holiday funds, and then I'm only going to cash up $10. So that's like starting all over again because I'm going to use it for gifts. So I did use it actually on my credit card, so I have to pay that back. So you're going to see me unstuff holiday and cashed up $10 to begin it new again. Okay, so let's jump right into this. So let's put this in the back. I'm just loving everything that I've made so far. It's just beautiful. And these are available in my shop as well, the Peekaboo binders. So, the Peekaboo cash envelopes. So back to school is going to get a total of $10. Let's see how much we have in here. So now we have a total of 10, 20, 30. So we have a total of $30 for back to school. And I still haven't wrote on my budget sheets. I need to write on those. I've just been like super, super busy. Okay, kids is going to get $10. These bills feel so new. Okay, so we have a total of 20 in there. So now we have a total of 30 for kids. Holiday is going to get, I'm going to pull this out first. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 100. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I think I'm going to keep the $11 in there. I'm going to keep the $11 in there, right? And I forgot to put a placeholder in there. It's supposed to be a $100 placeholder. So now for holiday, I have my holiday stash right here of cash, right? So let's count everything together. So now I'll be putting in my credit card 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 100, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have a total of $200 that I saved in here. So I will be pulling this out and putting it towards my credit card. And then we're going to keep the $11 in there and we're going to add $10 to this. So now we're starting our new cash stuffing for holiday. And then I'll unstuff it in December. Okay, so we have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And I did pull out a holiday like in October because I started shopping early. But I think in total, I saved a total of like $5 to $5.50, I believe, in holiday, and I used that for Christmas gifts. So birthdays is going to get $10. Like saving any little bit that you have does help because you just never know. You never know. So that cushion helped me as far as holiday. So we have a total of what am I doing here? Okay, 10, 20, 30. So birthdays, $30. And as far as cash envelopes, online, I did it differently. Now you can, it's a set of 3, a set of 6, or a set of 9 you can choose. And I think that's just like easier for people who just want, let's say, 3 envelopes instead of like the 6 count. So that's available in the shop. I just switched all of that this morning. Okay, Shopify is going to get a total of $10. And then by next week, I feel like I should have everything for Shopify. Let's see what we got in here. I need a total of $40. So we have 10, 20, 30. Yeah, by next week, I should be able to pull out for Shopify and pay that off. Now, you do have to pay like shipping for Shopify. I'm going to have to add an envelope for that. But I try to always keep it on the side. When people do purchases, I always keep it on the side as far as shipping. Okay, taxes is going to get a total of $10. So that's 10, 20, 30. And also available in my shop, I have the beginner's bundle. So the beginner's bundle, you get a binder. You get to choose a binder. That's it for cash stuffing. So the beginner's bundle, you choose a binder color, you choose what kind of envelopes you want, like cash envelopes, and you get the new teller slip. So that's everything included, as well as a marker. You get a permanent marker as well. So that's in my website, and I believe it runs for $30, but it's all a setup of everything you would need to start off. So I think that's pretty good. And again, I do have different sets for the cash envelope. So you can choose a set of 3, a set of 6, and a set of 9. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Please like this video, share it with a friend, and hit the subscribe button. I have to say I have a lot of new people coming in, and I'm super excited about it to see how long this journey goes. I can't wait till next December if everything goes well. Putting everything before God. Hopefully when I am stuck in December, I'm like super excited to see what goals I hit. Hopefully you guys did set up goals for 2025 as far as budgeting. And make sure you check out the budgeting video that I gave you guys. It's all about zero-based budgeting, and it's very, very detailed. It goes step by step on how this whole process works. So yeah, guys, I will see you tomorrow. I will be cash stuffing 6 months of expenses and debt. And yeah, guys, see you guys in the next one. Bye.